Raghavendra Swami. Raghavendra Swami was a renowned Madhva saint, philosopher, and the supporter of Dvaita philosophy that was established by Swami Madhavacharya. He served as the head of the monastery in Kumbakonam from 1621 to 1671 and established Brindavan in present Mantralayam in Andhra Pradesh, India. It is currently an important pilgrimage site. Raghavendra was born in the town of Bhuvanagiri in Tamil Nadu, India, in a Kannada Madhava Brahmin family. His real name is Venkatanatha. Venkatanatha studied under Sudhindra Tirtha and emerged as a talented scholar and consistently won debates over scholars older than him. He was also known as a teacher of Sanskrit and the ancient Vedic texts in 1614, and he took sannyasa or became a sannyasi and adopted the name Raghavendra. In 1621, Raghavendra succeeded his guru Sudhindra Tirtha as the head of the Kumbakonam monastery, which was called Sri Mutt, and served from 1621 to 1671. He travelled all over South India, explained Madhavacharya's Dvaita philosophy, and attributed with a number of miracles. In 1671, after assuring his disciples in a speech that he will be in spirit with them for the next 700 years, Raghavendra attained Samadhi at Mantralayam. Thus, while his life was spent in the worship of God and service of humanity, his spiritual guru, Sudhindra Tirtharu, was looking for a successor to his mutt. He had a dream where the Lord indicated that Sri Venkatanatha would be the right person to succeed him as the pontiff. Sri Venkatanatha initially refused due to his responsibility towards his young wife and son, but was soon blessed by the goddess of learning, where she in a dream indicated that he was to seek salvation as a sannyasi. Sri Venkatanatha treated this as an omen and changed his mind. The sannyasa ordination took place in 1621 on the Phalguni Shukla Dvitiya at Tanjore. On Dvitiya day of Shravana Krishna Paksha in 1671, Raghavendra Swami gave a soul stirring speech to hundreds of devotees who had gathered to watch the event. Some quotes from the speech are as follows: Without right living, right thinking will never come. Social work done for the good of worthy people should also be considered as the Lord's worship. Always keep away from people who merely perform miracles. Right knowledge is greater than any miracle. Have devotion to the Lord. This devotion should never be a blind faith. Sri Raghavendra Swami attained Jiva Samadhi on Dvitiya day of Shravana Krishna Paksha in 1671. This date is celebrated each year as Sri Raghavendra Swami Aradhana at Brindavans all over the world. The Raghavendra Matha in Mantralaya, housing his Brindavan, is visited by thousands of devotees every year.